How often have you added an image into your Google document to realize that it pretty much blends into the background? Really what you want to do is make it stand out with a border to specify what is the image and what's the rest of the file. Hi, I'm Michelle and I'm a computer coach here sharing tips and tricks to make life easier using your everyday software. Here I am, I've got my image already added into my file. If you haven't, add that in first, and once it's selected you'll notice here on the toolbar at the top I've got 3 additional buttons which when you hover over says border color, border weight and border dash. It's actually the colour that I need to select. You can see at the moment it's defaulted to none, so I personally prefer a black line around it, and you can now see as I click away that it's there. Not particularly happy. I think I want to change the thickness of the border, so with it selected again, back into the next one, into the weight, and I'm going to choose the thinnest option, just 0.1. And if you want to have a dash, so rather than a solid border around the edge, you can just put the dots or the small dashes, completely up to you. Quick and easy way to make any image stand out just that little bit more from your text. If you found this video useful, please do give it a thumbs up or leave a comment below. And if you'd like to be notified as new videos are released, then remember to subscribe and click that notification bell. And I'll see you for the next tip.